Hi everyone, and welcome to week 11 of Writing 111. This week we're moving forward with our study of research writing. In this week's media, I have provided a chapter for you on research and argumentation that will help set you up for success on this project and future projects, so be sure that you have read this chapter carefully before class. Tomorrow we're also going to start our small group workshop. I have not put you into groups yet because I'm still waiting to hear about who's attending online and who will be attending face-to-face tomorrow. So you can feel free to read one of these papers in preparation for the small group workshop in class tomorrow. The work will start in class and then you'll finish it over the next couple of days asynchronously. The other thing that you're going to work on this week is the statement of the problem. So one of the most important steps in research writing is making sure that you're clearly identifying the problem that you want to explore. So I want you to spend time thinking carefully about that problem, and then by the end of the week, I think it's on the 12th, you'll submit a short statement of the problem that will give me a chance to respond to what you're working on. When you get the language for the problem clear, it makes the research clearer, it makes the writing clearer. So those are the things we're going to focus on this week. Make sure that you're paying attention to that small group workshop essay, that you're bringing to class any questions you had from the large group, and that you're ready to start moving forward. I've graded a few of the rhetorical analyses. Honestly, I got pretty sick over the weekend and didn't get as much done as I was hoping to. So hopefully over the next couple days, I'll finish responding to your rhetorical analyses. The ones I read so far looked great, and I look forward to reading more of them. I hope you're all well, and I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow.